Hello students, in this video you will find about the characteristic of solutions. First I will tell you what is solution, after that characteristics of solution. Now, first very important point is, what is solution? A homogeneous mixture of atoms, ions or molecules of two or more different substances, whose composition may change by changing the relative amount of the components, is called solution. Once again, a homogeneous mixture of atom, ion or molecules of two or more substances whose composition may be changed by changing the relative amount of components of the mixture is called homogeneous mixture, is called a solution. Now, another point I am going to tell you, solvent and solute. The medium of dissolution which dissolves one or more substances in it to form a solution is called solvent, and the other substance which dissolves in the medium, which dissolves in the solvent, is called solute. For example, sugar dissolves in water, then water is a medium which dissolves sugar, then water is a solvent and sugar is solute. It means solution equal to solvent plus solute. Next point, type of solution on the basis of number of components present in it. First, binary solution. A solution which contains two components is called binary solution, like salt and water. Salt is there, water is there, two component. This is why this solution is called binary solution. Sugar and water, binary solution. Alcohol and water mixture forms binary solution, like that. Second one, ternary solution. Ternary solution means that solution which contains three components. For example, sugar, salt and water is a ternary solution. Quaternary solution, if there are four components in the solution in the homogeneous mixture, then that is called quaternary solution. For example, salt, sugar, salt means sodium chloride, sugar and copper sulfate and water. This homogeneous mixture is a quaternary, like that four components, then quaternary solution. Next point, I am going to tell you according to type of phases, difference in phases. If the components of a solution exist in different phases, different state of physical state, then that component which is in larger amount is called solvent and the other one is called solute. For example, different phases, different physical state, like sugar is solid and water is liquid. When it dissolves, sugar dissolves in water, then here water is solvent, sugar is solute. But another definition more appropriate than this I am telling you, if the physical state means the phase of component of a solution is different, then that component of solution whose phase is same as that of the final solution is called solvent. The component which has same phase as that of the final solution is called solvent, and other is called solute, more appropriate. Here sugar solid and water liquid. When sugar dissolves in water, the solution form is also liquid. Then here water is liquid, solution is liquid. Hence water is a solvent and sugar is solid, that is a solute. Like that, other examples also you can think. Next, second type of one. If components of a solution are in the same phase, same physical state, then the component of solution which is in larger amount, relatively more amount, that component is called solvent and the other is called solute. For example, alcohol and water. Alcohol is liquid, water is also liquid, both are in the same phase. Now you are preparing solution. This alcohol and water, whichever is in larger amount, that is solvent and the other is solute. Then solution can be prepared. Type of solution. Number one, solid and liquid, like sugar and water solution, salt and water solution. Number two, liquid solution, like alcohol and water solution, kerosene and petrol, like that, benzene and toluene mixed together, liquid solution. Next, I told you first solid liquid, second liquid, third solid. When a mixture, a homogeneous mixture is of two or more solid, then it is a solid solution or solid mixture. For all the alloys, for example, brass and steel, stainless steel, magnesium, duralumin, these alloys are homogeneous mixture of two or more components, two or more solids, and these are solid solution or solid dissolved in solid. In such mixtures, that solid which is in larger amount is solvent and which is in relatively small amount, less amount, that is a solute. Like brass, copper and zinc, both are mixed together to form solid solution. Next point is there liquid gas, like soda water. Here liquid and gas homogeneous mixture, that is also a solution. Next point I am going to tell you, characteristics of solution. Very important 10 characteristics I am going to tell you. First, appearance. A solution is homogeneous. What is its appearance? Nature, not appearance. I am telling you first nature. Nature of solution, first is homogeneous nature. Means particles of the components are distributed uniformly throughout the mass, throughout the sample of the mixture, that is the appearance, homogeneous. Nature. Number two, appearance. Appearance, solution is always transparent. Sodium chloride dissolved in water, very transparent solution is that. Sugar dissolves in water, glucose dissolves in water, alcohol in water, transparent. Then its appearance, transparent. Next, visibility of the solute particles. Solute particles are very small. They are not visible even under ultra microscope. Solute particles are not visible. Next point, filtrability. Solute particles cannot be separated by ordinary filtration, or by filtration we cannot separate them because they can pass through the pores of filter paper and we cannot separate. Next point, size of the particle. The size of solute particles are of molecular dimension, very small size, and in the order of 10 to the raised power minus 10 meter to 10 to the raised power minus 9 meter. Means 0.1 nanometer to 1 nanometer is the size of the particle. Next, Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect means scattering light. Then solute particles are very small in true solution. They do not scatter light, they do not show Tyndall effect. Brownian movement of particles. In true solution, Brownian movement, zigzag motion of that particle is not visible, it is negligible. Negligible Brownian movement is there. And in that true solution, one more thing, separation. We cannot separate solute particles by filtration. Next, sedimentation due to gravity, settling down due to gravity. Solute particles do not settle down due to gravity. No sedimentation, no settling down of the particles in the solution. Then these are some important characteristics of true solution, and this is about solution. Again, next video I will tell you again very interesting things of this chapter. Thank you.